there, I was sent this product to help with the gapping in your doorway. So I've got a little bit of a draft here. So it's going to help me cover this area. So let me show you how simple it is to apply. It does come with some cleaning cloths so that you can easily clean it and make sure it is good to go. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a couple different colors. You've got this red sticker on here. We're gonna have to pull that off, and that's what's gonna get stuck onto the door. You do probably have to cut this, so you're gonna wanna line it up. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is gonna be a little bit long for my door. So all you have to do is measure it out, and then we're just gonna cut this excess off. We're gonna peel off the tab. And then you're gonna wanna make sure you line this up really well. So, and make sure to use the cleaning cloths to really clean your door. Okay. So I'm gonna stick it on, just line it all the way across. And you can cut this before or after you apply it. Scissors and cut this extra tab off that we don't need. So let me do that and then show you what it looks like afterwards. I'm gonna take my cutting tool and just cut it. Now we are completely sealed on. I'm just gonna make sure we're really on there, and then let me show you once I open the door. Okay, so it really is that simple, and it took me maybe 5 minutes to put this whole thing on, and we are good to go. So if you are looking for a great product to help with a draft or an outside door, like I said, you can use this indoor or outdoor. This brand is fantastic. I would definitely check them out.